Hello everybody. After completing the previous chapter, now we are familiar with the fact that cells are the basic structural and functional units of life. There are two types of organisms on the basis of number of cells: unicellular and your multicellular. You are familiar with this term? Unicellular means those organisms which are having only one cell, and multicellular means those organisms which are having more than one cell. Okay. In multicellular organisms, there are group of cells. This group of cells, they work together to perform the specific function. Okay, and they are known as tissue. The group of cells that work together to perform the specific function are known as tissues. So, our today's topic is tissue. Now, the group of tissues again work together and makes your organ system, and this organ together makes the system, and this system together makes the complete body. Okay, from one cell it will be grouped into many, which makes tissues. Group of tissues makes the organ, and group of organ makes the system, and group of system gives the complete body. Okay, but our main concern is the tissue. Here we'll talk about the tissue system in plant and animal, because both of them are multicellular organism. And in plant we have two different types of tissues. Okay, they are permanent tissues, okay, and another one is your meristematic tissue. Okay, I will write little bit this side. So first is your permanent tissues, and second is your meristematic tissue. Okay, did you get the point? In plant body system there are two types of tissues. One is permanent and another one is meristematic tissues. Now they are further divided into subtypes. Let us see. Okay, I hope you understood. Let me erase this. Okay, yes. Now these meristematic tissues are again of three types. 1, 2, okay, 3. First is apical, second is intercalary, and third is your lateral. Okay, on the basis of their location. Okay, you know plant body. Okay, suppose this is a plant, a simple plant. Okay, all the tissues that are present in the apical region or at the tip, okay, or at the tip are known as apical tissues. And we all know that there is a node between the leaf and the stem, okay, so those are known as intercalary, and lateral on the lateral side of the stem, okay. We'll have a detailed look on that. First let us see its different kinds. Now come to your permanent tissues, okay. Permanent tissues are of again two types: simple permanent tissue, okay, and the complex permanent tissues. Again, these simple permanent tissues are of three types. They are parenchyma, okay, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Okay, permanent tissues, okay, are again two types: simple permanent tissue and the complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissues are of three types. They are parenchyma, collenchyma, and the sclerenchyma. Okay. Now the complex tissue are again of two types. They are also of two types, that is xylem and phloem. Okay, let us look once again. In plant body there are two types of tissues: permanent tissues and your meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are of three types. They are apical, intercalary, and your lateral. Okay. Permanent tissues are again of two types. There are simple and the complex. Simple permanent tissues are of again three types. They are parenchyma, collenchyma, and the sclerenchyma. And complex permanent tissues are again of two types. There are xylem and phloem. So this is the systematic division of the plant tissues. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. In the next class we will be going detail about each type of the tissues in plant body. So for today this much only. Thank you.